Well, hello there. Let's make sweet potato tacos. They have spicy roasted sweet potato, homemade refried black beans, and a quick and easy lime crema. Let's get started. First, let's get the sweet potatoes prepped and into a 450-degree Fahrenheit oven. Peel and dice 2 large sweet potatoes. This makes 4 servings, by the way. Throw them in a bowl, drizzle on olive oil, and add your spices. Here we have 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Add that to the bowl, as well as a clove of minced garlic, and salt and pepper. Now give those a good toss, and then add those potatoes to a parchment-lined sheet pan. And here's a quick tip about parchment paper. If you're having trouble getting it to lie flat, just crunch it up with your hands and it'll lay flat a lot better. Just like that. Ah yes, so smooth. Make sure the potatoes are in a single layer and put in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. While those are roasting, make the lime crema. It's so easy. Just mix together fat-free Greek yogurt, freshly squeezed lime juice, plus the zest from that lime, and a big pinch of salt. Stir that and set it aside while you make the refried beans. In a large nonstick skillet over medium-high heat, add olive oil. Add diced onion and stir until they start to soften, about 5 minutes. This is half of a large sweet onion. When the onions look like this, drain and rinse 1 can of black beans, but keep that liquid for later. Add the beans to the skillet, along with 1 clove of minced garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and some salt and pepper. Then start with half of the drained bean liquid. If you forgot to save it, you can use chicken stock instead, or even water would be okay. If the bean mixture looks like it's drying up before they're fully cooked, add the rest of the bean liquid or more stock or water. Lower the heat to medium-low and cook for about 15 minutes or until you can easily mash the beans. When the beans are done, mash the bean mixture until you get the consistency you like. I like a chunky bean, and who doesn't? But if you like it real smooth, blend it using a stick blender or a food processor or something like that. These beans are so good, and if you have leftovers, try them with scrambled eggs.
Oh my God, yes.
Now we'll char up some corn for our tacos. I'm heating a cast iron skillet over high heat and adding a cup of frozen corn. You don't need to thaw them. I'm going to sprinkle on some tahini, a chili lime salt. Now just stir or toss until the corn starts to char and then set it aside. In the same skillet, heat each tortilla on both sides until they're puffed up and browned. Repeat for however many tortillas you're going to eat. Now let's assemble our tacos. The sweet potatoes are done, and here's what they look like. The edges get nice and caramelized, but they're still soft on the inside, just like me. To assemble our taco, start with a generous amount of those delicious black beans. Add a couple of spoonfuls of sweet potatoes. Add a spoonful of charred spicy corn. Add that zesty lime crema, as much as you want. Finish with chopped cilantro if you like it. If not, that's okay, try parsley. Some optional topping ideas are guacamole, pickled red onion, or pickled jalapenos. You can make these tacos completely vegan by using a plant-based yogurt for the crema and vegan tortillas. If you'd like to learn to make more dinners like this, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a recipe. Here are a couple of refreshing beverages to go with your awesome tacos. Thanks for watching.